Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Mariella, and my channel is In the Kitchen with Mariella. Hey, today we're going to be making spinach stuffed chicken. So come on, let's get started. Okay, first thing you want to do is preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Then you need for every chicken breast, you need an ounce of cream cheese. So I have 2 chicken breasts, so I need 2 ounces of cream cheese. Softened at room temperature. Mine's soft because I've been eating it on that strawberry bread I made the other day. So I just leave it on the counter so it'll stay soft. Then you need about a half a cup of Parmesan cheese, shredded. A half a cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. And frozen spinach thawed, and all of the liquid removed from it. Now we're going to mix this all together. And this takes a few minutes to get it all mixed together. Okay, now we're going to set that aside. I've been in this kitchen all day. I've made Buddy's chicken. I made bread. I made my roasted potatoes to go with dinner. And now I'm making the chicken part. Now you want to take your chicken breast and you want to pat them dry. Now if you have real thick chicken breast, you can either cut them in half or you can leave them thick and just cut a pocket in them to stuff them that way. So now we're going to take our cream cheese and spinach mixture and we're going to spread it, because if you have thin chicken breast, I'm just going to roll mine up instead of stuff them. And then you just roll it up. And put it in the pan. I'm going to do the same thing with the second one. If you want, you can secure them with toothpicks or just put them with the seam side down. Wash my hands. Now I did spray my pan before I added the chicken. So now I'm just going to drizzle a little bit of olive oil on here. Then I got a half a teaspoon of onion powder, a half a teaspoon of garlic powder, a half a teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of pepper, and a teaspoon of paprika. So now I'm going to sprinkle that on top of our chicken. And then I'm going to sprinkle a little bit of breadcrumb on top of our seasoning. Now we're going to put these in our 350 degree oven and bake them for 30 to 45 minutes or until the temperature comes out at 165 degrees. Y'all, look at my little baby bell pepper that I got. That I got today off of my pepper plants. And then here's my one and only cucumber. It's a little baby one too. So we're going to have these with our dinner tonight too. So, and Buddy's had about 10 cherry tomatoes. Here's my loaf of bread that I baked today. It's a loaf of French bread. It's over here cooling. So, I will bring you guys back when this comes out of the oven. Set the timer because I will forget. Alright, I'll bring you guys back when this gets done. Okay guys, it took 45 minutes for my chicken to cook. But this is what it looks like. And this is what we're having for dinner tonight. So let's give it a try. The cream cheese, the Parmesan cheese, the mozzarella mixed with the spinach gives it such a great flavor. And then all those seasonings we put on top of that chicken, that is the bomb. That is really good. So, if you really need to make this one. This one's good. I want to thank you all for watching the video. If you would, like, subscribe, ring that notification bell, leave a comment, and share my video. I would appreciate it. If you would like to become a channel member, there's a join button down below that you can hit and become a channel member. If you'd like to help support the channel, there's a link to mine and Buddy's Amazon wish list and our PayPal account in the description box. This recipe will be in the description box below. And as always, don't let anyone steal your sunshine or your smile. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.